So one of the reasons I wanted to design a knitted bag was because there was just so much out there on the runway, in the market, lots of woven bags, knitted bags, crochet, all the gorgeous straw basket bags that were out there. And I just thought it would be really fun, a fun project to use texture, lots of different yarns, learn a new stitch, and then, but to keep the overall shape and construction relatively simple. And so with any project that I start, I definitely start with inspiration, visually, online, magazines, books, all kinds of things. And so I had seen a I'd seen a macrame bag that I thought was really gorgeous. And so that kind of started the idea for the shape. And then I did a bunch of sketches thinking about handle height, strap, no strap, what kind of shape do I want? And then, you know, this was basically where I started with my idea. And then once I kind of landed on something that I was into, then I went to my stitch books, all my different knitting pattern books, and kind of looked at different textures to see what I thought could give me the look that I wanted. I tried moss stitch, seed stitch, bramble stitch, linen stitch, all the different stitches, but I really wanted something that was strong and a little bit dense, and then also looked woven. I love Chanel multi-woven tweeds. I like any multi-colorful tweed fabric, and I thought it'd be really cool if we could create something that looked woven out of knitting. And so it took a while to get to this point. I tried, I don't even know, I could probably count in my notebook. I tried so many different stitches, and basically this was my first swatch with the fringe on both sides, which I love and could still be something really cool. And then I got to the point where that felt a little overwhelming, and what if I developed something, you know, that had the fringe only on one side, because I knew I wanted fringe or tassels or something. But then I thought, if the fringe could also be part of the construction and an additional design feature, I thought that would be really cool. So I also thought about the wool and the cotton. So like the wool spun cloud with the cotton wildflower yarn, I thought would be really cool because I knew the cotton would give structure and stability in the stitch. And so I knew that alternating the wool and the wildflower cotton yarn would help with the stability of the yarn swatch, and, you know, give a little bit more structure to the bag. It would make it feel you could wear it multi-season, because I don't know if I would want to carry a 100% wool bag in the summer, but since there's wool and cotton mixed in, I think it makes it wearable all year round. And so I also love all the sparkle. I love that the flowers and the metallic just give it that additional playful. The whole idea here for me was playful, experiment with colors. And I really enjoyed designing and working on this bag. It was a little more complicated to write out the color, it was a challenge for me. It was really fun. I learned a lot while I designed this, and I really hope you enjoy knitting it. And please just have fun, let yourself go, be free to experiment and make mistakes, and know that the designer ripped out a lot and tried some new things and learned a lot as well. So thank you so much for supporting my bag, and I look forward to seeing what you make with it. And happy knitting. Thank you so much.